Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the MetaMask mobile app. First, download the official MetaMask app from your phone's app store. Once installed, you can create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. It is crucial to write down your 12-word secret recovery phrase and keep it in a very safe, private place. Never share this phrase with anyone. Finally, set a strong password or enable biometric login for easy and secure access to your wallet. Now that your wallet is set up, let's get some funds into it. You have a couple of easy options. You can tap the buy button directly in the app to purchase cryptocurrency using a third-party service. Alternatively, you can copy your unique wallet address and send crypto to it from another wallet or a centralized exchange. Always double-check that you are sending funds on the correct network like Ethereum mainnet to avoid losing your assets. Sending and receiving cryptocurrency with MetaMask Mobile is straightforward. To send, simply tap the Send button, paste the recipient's wallet address, and enter the amount. Always verify the address carefully before proceeding. You will see an estimated gas fee, which is the cost to process your transaction on the network. To receive, just share your public wallet address with the sender. It's like giving someone your email address. One of MetaMask's most powerful features is connecting to decentralized applications, or dApps. Use the built-in browser within the MetaMask app to visit your favorite dApps. When prompted, tap Connect Wallet to link your MetaMask account. You will then approve any transaction requests or permissions directly within the app. Remember to disconnect your wallet from dApps when you are done to maintain good security practices.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.